You've probably heard that losing fat and building muscle requires following the same old rules, right? Well, what if I told you that there are underrated habits, practically ignored by most, that can lead you to your dream body, even if you're starting at 30% body fat? Yes, you don't need magic formulas or an insane workout routine. What you need are these 10 practices that no one is talking about, but can make a huge difference in your physique. And there's one practice in particular that no one imagined, but it could be the game changer in your transformation. Curious to know what they are? Stick with me because the solution you're looking for might be closer than you think. And it starts now. Importance of walking. Imagine someone who, amidst the hustle and bustle of daily life, discovers a small habit capable of transforming their body. Walking. It might not seem grand, but its power lies precisely in its simplicity. Walking 10,000 steps daily might seem like an easy task. The science behind it is solid. Every step you take contributes to burning around 500 calories, which, over weeks, can result in significant weight loss. Moreover, this regular practice doesn't require drastic dietary changes, allowing weight loss to happen more sustainably. Now, think of walking as your moment of moving meditation, a time to connect with yourself, while strengthening your muscles and improving cardiovascular health. Each step isn't just a movement, it's a stride toward your fitness goal. For someone just starting out, the simple act of taking those 10,000 steps can become a pleasurable routine and a powerful ally in burning fat. And by the end of the year, you could be 24 pounds lighter just by walking daily. You might be thinking, but how do I fit this into my already busy routine? Well, here's the beauty of walking. It can be done anytime, anywhere. Imagine walking to the park during your lunch break or opting for stairs instead of elevators. Small changes lead to big results. Intermittent fasting. The concept of intermittent fasting might sound a bit intimidating at first, but it's nothing more than a smart way to organize your meals. Think of it as a way to train your body to use energy more efficiently. By limiting your meals to a specific time window, you not only control calorie intake, but also teach your body to access fat reserves for energy. It's an eating strategy that not only makes weight loss easier, but can also lead to a significant boost in your energy levels and focus throughout the day. Now, let's say you choose an eating window from 12 p.m. to 8 p.m. During this time, you can focus on consuming foods rich in protein and essential nutrients, helping with muscle growth and maintenance. Additionally, this approach naturally creates a calorie deficit, bringing you closer to the magic 3,500 calories needed to lose 1 pound of fat. It's important to note that this practice doesn't have to be rigid. It can be adjusted to fit your routine, making it a flexible tool in your fitness arsenal. If intermittent fasting seems difficult to follow, remember that habits are built gradually. Start with a larger eating window and gradually reduce it as you become more comfortable. This practice fits well with a walking routine, creating a powerful synergy between movement and nutrition. High protein intake. When it comes to building muscle and losing fat, protein is your best ally. Think of it as the building block in constructing a strong and defined body. By consuming 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight, you're not only feeding your muscles, but also boosting your metabolism, which is essential for fat loss. Protein not only helps in muscle repair and growth after an intense workout, but also keeps you full for longer, reducing the temptation of unhealthy snacks. Now, consider the importance of choosing high-quality protein sources. Foods like chicken breast, eggs, fish, and legumes not only offer a good amount of protein, but also provide essential nutrients for the body's optimal functioning. Imagine preparing a generous portion of grilled salmon accompanied by a salad rich in vegetables for dinner. This type of meal not only helps you meet your protein intake, but also supports the building and maintenance of strong muscles while you continue burning fat. For those always on the go, protein supplements like whey protein shakes can be a practical solution to ensure you reach your daily protein goal. Remember, maintaining this level of protein intake is one of the pillars for anyone focused on fitness, whether the goal is to lose weight or grow muscle. Protein will be your silent ally, constantly working towards your goal. Sensible cheat meals. Having a disciplined routine is crucial for reaching your fitness goals. But allowing yourself a moment of indulgence, like a cheat meal, can be equally important. Imagine staying focused on your meal plan all week, and as a reward, you get to enjoy that dish you love so much. This not only helps maintain mental sanity, but can also give your metabolism a boost, adjusting to the increased calories and preventing it from going into energy-saving mode. The key here is moderation. A sensible cheat meal doesn't mean devouring everything in sight, but choosing something you truly enjoy and savoring it without guilt. This could be a juicy burger or an artisan pizza, for example. By maintaining this balance, you can satisfy your cravings without compromising your weight loss or muscle growth goals. Moreover, this approach can help you avoid major dietary slip-ups, since you know you have a scheduled opportunity to enjoy something different. Keeping this practice to once a week allows you to stay focused during the other days, knowing there's a reward at the end. It's a smart strategy to maintain motivation and consistency, which are crucial for any long-term fitness journey. At the same time, you're training your mind to see healthy eating as a lifestyle, not a constant restriction. Accountability. When it comes to achieving big goals, like transforming your body, the journey can be challenging. This is where accountability comes into play. Think of it as a support network that keeps you on track. Having someone to share your goals with, whether it's a friend, a family member, or a coach, makes all the difference. These are the partners who encourage you on tough days and celebrate your victories with genuine enthusiasm. They don't let you give up, even when things get tough. Imagine having a friend who is also focused on improving their fitness. You can set goals together, like completing a specific workout or sticking to a strict meal plan for a week. When one person commits to another, the sense of responsibility increases. After all, no one wants to disappoint someone who trusts them. Moreover, this partnership makes the process more fun and less lonely, creating a dynamic where both of you motivate each other to keep progressing. Accountability doesn't have to be limited to one person. Support groups, whether in person or online, also have a powerful impact. Joining a fitness community can provide extra motivation, where you learn from others' experiences, share your own achievements, and stay inspired by the collective progress. These groups keep the fire burning, helping you keep going, one day at a time. Quality sleep. Often underestimated, sleep is one of the most important pillars for success in any fitness journey. Think of sleep as the time when your body recovers and strengthens, preparing for the challenges of the next day. During rest hours, your muscles repair and grow, your metabolism regulates, and your hormone levels, like cortisol and insulin, balance out. All of this contributes to better food choices and the energy to train with intensity. But it's not just about sleeping. It's about ensuring the quality of that sleep. For those looking to lose weight and grow muscle, poor sleep can be a major obstacle. Lack of adequate sleep can increase hunger levels, leading to poor food choices and reducing your motivation to hit the gym. Imagine tossing and turning all night, and then facing a heavy training routine the next day. Your performance will undoubtedly be affected. Creating a nighttime routine can work wonders for the quality of your sleep. Small habits like turning off electronics an hour before bed, keeping a dark and cool environment, and avoiding heavy meals before bedtime can significantly improve the quality of your rest. This investment in sleep is actually an investment in your muscle growth and weight loss capacity, making it an essential component of your fitness plan. Environmental control. When it comes to reaching your fitness goals, the environment around you plays a crucial role, often underestimated. Imagine your home as a sanctuary where you shape your body and mind. If this space is filled with temptations, like junk food on the shelves or a comfy couch calling out louder than the weights in the corner, the chances of success diminish considerably. Therefore, controlling the environment is more than just a choice. It's an active strategy to make your decisions easier. Start with the basic. Eliminate or reduce distractions and temptations around you. Imagine opening the fridge and finding only foods that push you towards your fitness goals. Fresh vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy snacks. When you create an environment where healthier choices are the most accessible, you're actually simplifying the process of following a meal and workout plan. This makes each decision easier and less dependent on willpower. Moreover, the environment isn't limited to physical space. Who's around you matters too. Surrounding yourself with people who share your mindset or respect your goals can reinforce your commitment and keep you focused. Whether it's friends, family, or even online groups, being in a supportive environment transforms the challenge of losing weight and building muscle into a lighter, more motivating journey. After all, the right environment can be the factor that keeps you going, even when things get tough. Morning resistance training. Imagine starting the day with a resistance training routine that not only wakes up your body, but also prepares your mind to face the day's challenges. Morning workouts are not just a matter of convenience. They are a powerful strategy to boost your metabolism early on, ensuring your body keeps burning calories throughout the day. Additionally, kicking off the day with resistance training increases endorphin production, giving you a sense of well-being and energy. It can make all the difference in your daily productivity. Regular resistance training not only helps build big, defined muscles, but also protects your joints and improves posture. Imagine waking up and, before breakfast, completing a workout session focused on strengthening your back and leg muscles. This not only contributes to a stronger body, but also enhances your ability to perform daily tasks with more ease and less risk of injury. The impact on your fitness journey is profound, especially if your goal is to lose weight while growing muscle. For those who struggle with a lack of time, working out in the morning ensures that your exercise routine isn't compromised by the day's demand. Even if the rest of the day is unpredictable, the sense of accomplishment and the energy a morning workout provides keeps you motivated and focused on your goals. Incorporating resistance training into your morning is a choice that not only transforms your physique, but also shapes a mindset, determination, and discipline. Hydration. Staying properly hydrated is one of the simplest yet most fundamental aspects of reaching your fitness goals. Water isn't just essential for survival. It also plays a crucial role in optimizing performance during workouts and in muscle recovery. Think about it. Every cell in your body depends on water to function correctly. And when you're not hydrated, your body can't perform at its best. This means that a lack of hydration can affect everything, from mental clarity to the ability to pump big, strong muscles during a workout. Moreover, adequate hydration helps avoid common confusion between hunger and thirst, which often leads to unnecessary overeating. Imagine feeling hungry, but in reality, all your body needs is a glass of water. Drinking water regularly throughout the day not only keeps your metabolism active, but also aids digestion, improves circulation, and helps eliminate toxins. For those focused on losing weight, ensuring you're drinking enough can be the difference that prevents those off-plan snacks. Incorporating hydration into your daily routine is simple and powerful. Keep a water bottle always within reach, especially during your workout, and make sure to drink before you feel thirsty. This not only optimizes your performance in the gym, but also ensures your body is always in the ideal condition to grow muscle and lose fat. Hydration is a basic practice that supports all the other fitness strategies you adopt. Consistency and patience. Body transformation is a journey that requires two essential virtues: consistency and patience. Imagine a sculptor working on a piece of marble. He doesn't expect to see the final result in a single day's work, but he understands that every strike, every detail carved, is a step towards perfection. Similarly, in the world of fitness, every workout, every healthy meal is a small victory that accumulates over time. Key is to stay consistent, even when the results aren't immediate. Consistency doesn't mean perfection, but rather the ability to get back on track whenever you deviate. Imagine a day when things don't go as planned, and you miss a workout or make less than ideal food choices. Instead of blaming yourself, the right approach is to recognize that this is a temporary detour, not a permanent failure. Getting back to your routine the next day with renewed determination is what sets those who achieve their goals apart from those who give up. This mindset builds resilience and ensures that every step, no matter how small, contributes to your muscle growth and weight loss over time. Patience, on the other hand, is accepting that significant changes don't happen overnight. The body responds to stimuli gradually, and understanding this is crucial for maintaining motivation. Think of the results as a tree growing slowly. You might not notice the difference from one day to the next, but over time, the fruits begin to appear. Remaining patient and committed to the process is the secret to achieving a stronger, healthier, and more defined physique, respecting the time needed for these changes to take root. So, now that you know these 10 underrated habits, what are you going to do with this knowledge? True transformation begins when you put all of this into practice. Have you thought about how your life would change if you started applying these habits today? Imagine looking in the mirror a few months from now and seeing a body that reflects all your effort and dedication. So, are you ready to make this change? Or will you continue where you are, waiting for a miracle that's never going to happen? If you're truly committed to this transformation, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. Don't miss out on the opportunity to keep learning and growing. Here, you'll find the tools and support you need to reach your goals. And remember, knowledge is only the beginning. Action is what truly transforms.